Charlie. I have cute little freckles. It's not. Okay, I feel like something went wrong along the way. I don't know what I did. I just decapitated a freaking ballerina, bruh. Hi. My name's Oliver. Who are you? What's your name? What's your name? Your mama? My name's Charlie. Hi. I'm oh my gosh. Whew. Okay, so I'm gonna use the e.l.f. moisturizer because it has some sunscreen in it and it makes my skin feel so nice. So I'll be back right now. Boom. We're gonna go more of the grunge 70s. So the first thing I'm thinking, I think my first step is gonna be applying contour because we gotta get our bronze look before we do anything, I think. Okay? Don't quote me here. This is not a makeup tutorial. Not a makeup tutorial. It could be though. If it's cute, then it could be a makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna go in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer in the shade. So it doesn't have a shade anymore. But we're gonna go ahead and go in with that. I'm gonna try to see if doing a heavy hand on this makes it more bronzy. I don't really bronze, y'all, so I'm curious. I think using a brush will keep the thickness and the density of this bronzer slash contour. So hopefully my theory is right. And let's test it out. Yeah, my theory's right. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, I can't tell if I'm tweaking. Hold on, I need my glasses. Like oh my god. Holy shit, I genuinely I look like Trump.
Very evidently, I am bronzed. Right, so we're very... Okay. I think we're gonna try to use a beauty blender to get rid of like the excess because this is absurd.
You know what? No, it's not absurd because I'm gonna go with concealer. Boom.
So this is how it's going so far. Yeah.
So now I'm gonna go in with my blush. So we're gonna go really, really light with our blush, and we're gonna keep it in our cheeks. And in a lot of photos I see, they didn't have a lot of blush on. Well, I'm not gonna lie, in fact, they didn't have that much makeup at all. At least in the photos I'm seeing. Maybe the different styles I saw, they weren't wearing that much makeup. It was very much natural. A lot of it was honestly just all in the hair and the fashion. So that's why we're doing that. Next step. I think we're gonna go ahead and lock in our bronzer to keep us very bronzed. I'm gonna go ahead with my very broken palette. All right, perfect. Okay, so to fix some of this, I'm gonna add some concealer on my side to sculpt out my cheek a little more because I feel like it's too unsculpted. So it's just giving like blob. So did I just mess it up or do I just look sculpted?
I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore.
So next, we're gonna apply some freckles. I'm gonna use the semi-permanent like eyebrow ink thing. We're gonna add some cute little freckles. Aww. Some cute little freckles to give us an even more bronzed look. Right now, what I'm gonna do is time to curl our lashes and we're gonna get started with our eye makeup. Since I am doing like a grungy type of pop star 70s look, we're gonna get started with some browns. More preferably like this type of brown where it's like kind of lightish. Perfect. I don't know if you can really see the difference on camera, but I know I do. We're gonna go and deepen it even more with this deeper brown and this black. You're gonna buff it now along your eyelids. Honestly, I think I want to make it deeper. I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm just gonna sleep and see what happens. Does that look grungy? Does that look grungy? I think so. Beautiful. Now that I have these deepened colors, I'm gonna go in with some wet eyeliner, but keep it very small. You're gonna want to keep this like a nice small little line. All right, we have our eyeliner on. Now we're gonna put on mascara. We're gonna apply mascara on both sides. We're gonna put more on the top, but also on the bottom because we still want to keep that grungy look. I really like bottom lash mascara. It's just I hate when it like gets on the bottom and it gets all smudgy and then it just makes your under eye look all smudged. I hate that. Because then it basically looks like you never even put on any concealer. Oh, hey. Okay, now we have our mascara on. So this is our eye makeup. Like, it's low-key so cute. I love. Time for our lips. So I did notice there was a lot of nudes going on. There wasn't that much color on the lips. So I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. lip liner that's really, really close to my lip color. Like, it's not like a nude where like my lips are like, you know, like 2000s, but it's my lip color, you know. Perfect. I'm just gonna go in with a nice clearish. This one is like from Ulta, like the actual brand, and it's like a sheer kind of glittery lip gloss, and I love it. I honestly, it's so refreshing. Okay, this is not an ad.
This is not an ad.
And I feel like the shininess also adds to like that 70s like color pop, you know, everything that was going on in the 70s. Okay, I feel like I did all right. This is definitely better than yesterday's. I feel like I have some bronze blindness because I feel like I still don't see enough bronzer on my face right now. Alright. Okay, I fixed it. There we go. Alright. It's time for our hair. I have this curling heating up right now. As you can see, my hair is definitely a lot straighter because I did slightly straighten it yesterday for the original 70s look I did, but it was just not working at all. I'm like, okay, I already know the hair's just not, you know, like the hair's just not gonna work. The hair has never freaking worked. Do we see anything different? I don't. OMG. Do we see a difference? Whatever, bro. We're just gonna do my bangs. I don't care anymore. I don't care. I'm a rebel. Okay, alright. Let's find the middle. I'm gonna clip these bangs back to hopefully set them in that shaggy type of place. I need to figure out what to do here. Like, genuinely, this is not it. I think I'm gonna try to do it like this photo right here, where it's all curled into the face. I don't have hope. Okay, there's something there. There's something there. There's something there. Wait. Oh, bro. All right. Alright, bro, this is the best it's gonna get. This is genuinely the best it's gonna get. Okay, so this is the hair. Alright. Oh, I have two different outfit options I want to try on. But first, I'm gonna put on my jewelry. Starting off, we got a gold chunky, colorful necklace. Perfect. I also found these chunky earrings I have that I used to wear. So now I got my chunky earrings in. So I have 5 rings that I have right here. I originally had 6, but in yesterday's little Shazam, I lost it. I don't know what happened to it, and I'm not gonna look for it. It's not that serious. We're gonna pair See Into the Future on the middle finger with blue turquoise. Boom. And then we're gonna pair blue Triphobia along with anal beads. And put on our index finger hearts. I got a couple options for my hair. So what I could do is there's this cute hairstyle right here where it's like they braid it and then they put it across. And then I'm gonna keep it in chain with like this flower thing. So I can try that. Or I'm gonna try this right now. You're gonna be the first to see it. I have this fabric that I'm gonna tie around my forehead and see if that works. Maybe let's stick with the braid.
I can fix this.
I think this is kind of cute. I think I'm kind of getting somewhere. It's time for outfits. I have 2 outfits, but 2 different shirt options for one of the outfits. Time to try it on. In 3, 2, 1. So I'm not really feeling it. Okay, maybe it is 70s. The other outfit I have is these mid/high-rise bell-bottom jeans. I have this bell like sleeve thing. I found this in my mom's closet, which I feel like goes with the makeup vibe I was trying to do. So we will be trying this on right now. Okay, I like this outfit a lot better. And you put it on with this. Think about it. Think about it. It's a cold, chilly day after your concert, and you're walking back. Like, bro, come on. Like, I feel like it's pretty 70s. Like, without the jacket, I think it is 70s because of the bell and just like the nature of the jeans and the bell one. You know, yada yada yada. I also found these sunglasses. Is this 70s?
Johnny.
Am I cold? No, Johnny. You know I'm not cold. Because of the jacket you gave me.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay. On my scale, from 1 out of 10, 1 being I hate it, I'm gonna kill myself, like I look terrible. And 10 being I would eat myself if I could. Honestly, I do feel really cute with like this fur coat. And just the fit, I don't know. And I love like, imagine if this was like actually like a different, if this wasn't cut like I did it, 10 out of 10. But my hair, that's where I definitely messed up. So I would say that brings me down to a 9 out of 10. But my makeup, I think, is pretty grungy and pretty bronzed. So I ended up changing my I changed the shirt because, guys, I can't make any videos without my bra showing. Hey guys, I figured I really want to do that braid. Is that cute? I think it's cute.
This is the end of the video, you know. I need to go back on stage, you know. But I could do some vocal warms while you guys see yourself out of my video. Welcome, Johnny.